Welcome to the channel. Like I said in the previous couple videos that I've done, I don't know when it's coming out, but in previous videos I said that I was going to be taking a trip to VAM 22 down in Virginia, Tazewell, Virginia. I don't have any luggage for my bike besides the saddlebags on the bike and tour pack. My old bike, I used to have a tea bag. If you know, your older generations know what a tea bag is. You know, it's kind of a cloth bag, kind of like a sea bag material. Sea bag, anybody know what sea bag is? You know, your military bag. Sea bag material there, you know, kind of a, I don't know what you call it. But anyway, a tea bag used to sit on your sissy bar. It had a cutout, you slid it over your sissy bar and it sat on your rack. And you could stuff all your shit in there, and you can also, you know, it had straps and you could strap more shit on it. Alright, so I have a tea bag. It's 20 years old. I've had it for 20 years. So what I want to do is I want to throw that on the passenger seat of my bike and strap it down. Well, the straps are kind of, you know, thick and plasticky and kind of short, so there's nowhere to strap it to. So I went on Amazon and I bought some Rok Straps. Alright, R-O-K. There's videos out there, a lot of people use them. They're great straps to use. These ones here are, I think, what are they, 18, 60 inches? 18 inch or 16 inch? Something like that. Maybe they're 16 inch to 60, whatever. But my idea is to, you know, use these straps and just strap them over my tea bag for now, you know, until I'm able to get some new bags, you know. This is what I got, Rok Strap, all right? They come in pairs, 25 bucks a pair maybe, or whatever. There'll be a link in the description below. And it is an affiliate link, because I am an Amazon affiliate, so just to let you know. No extra cost to you, but Amazon will throw a few pennies my way. Eventually. If you purchase from my link. Alright. But just want to remind you, no extra cost to you. Same price. If you went on yourself, but if you use my link, I get a few pennies. Alright? It's up to you. But it's nice nylon. You take this end here and you loop it, you know, like this, around something. And this part here. Okay? This part here, you do the same thing. Got a nice clip. But this part here, you loop it too, around something. Alright? Alright. But this part here is where the stretchy is. A little bit of stretch there. Okay? And give. These things are narrower and, you know, than the straps on my tea bag. The straps on my tea bag are like this wide and short. And the good thing about this, you can tighten it up. So it comes in a pair, and I bought 2 pairs. Alright? So I think I'm going to go out and see how I'm going to hook this up. I threw my tea bag out there. I threw some shit in it, so it's somewhat maybe to what I'm going to be bringing. It's just stuffed. Alright? And we'll go out there and see if we can get this done. Alright? Here's my tea bag. I got stuff in it. This is where I want to put it. But the straps are too thick to go anywhere, so I'm going to try to use one of these here, you know, so Rok Straps. So we'll see how this goes. So what I think I could do is, I'll just throw this right here, but underneath the seat here, but behind the seat there's a flap here that you could probably, there's a bar right here in the back that I can strap to, so that's what I'm going to do. Got one strap there. Gonna try to do it in 2 straps. Yeah. Alright, so we'll throw this right there like that. Alright, and then I think I'll do one right here. Like this. Alright. So I think we'll do it like this, right? And then I'll take this one. There. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. Yep. That ain't going nowhere. What do you think? Good? Alright. Alright, that was my little video on the Rok Straps that I picked up from Amazon. It'll work for my tea bag, you know, strapping it on the back seat there. They have a couple different colors and stuff. Mine's the black with the fluorescent lines in it, I guess, that will glow in the dark, I guess. They got different colors, they got different lengths. $25 a pair or less, depending. And supposedly they last forever. They last a good long time. So I got 2 pairs of them. We'll see how they work. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. You guys have Rok Straps? I know a lot of you do. Are they worth the money? They look like good quality, so sometimes you spend more money to get the better quality. We'll see. And for those of you that watch, I'll be seeing, and that are going to VAM, I'll be seeing you in VAM. All right? Can't wait. So, see you then, and see you next time.